Today we are cooking with Wegmans and we have the mayor here, and I think she's going to be taste testing our foods.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It smells real good in here. What are you guys making?
I forgot the name of it really, but it's chicken and some type of pasta.
We ended up doing an Asian dish, don't know how to pronounce the name.
Today we're cooking in the kitchen and we're making chicken. I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
We are cooking chicken. So I forgot the last name of it, but cooking chicken slime.
I'm cooking for the mayor. I'm cooking chicken cacciatore. We had to sear the chicken, then sear the vegetables, then put the sauce in, and now it's in the oven. I never tasted it before, but it looked good. It smelled good.
We're here with Rochester's beautiful mayor, Mayor Lovely Warren. Thank you for stopping by Future Ready today. Appreciate it.
Oh, thank you, Jamar, for having me. I appreciate it, Mr. Myers.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Future Ready is a wonderful education program where we impact young folks in terms of getting their grades up to par. They get tutoring services. They also get life skills based on like culinary skill sets, skills trade, and all those different types of things.
This is my first day, and we're cooking, and I was cutting up kale and cleaning up the dishes, and they were just teaching us the basics of cooking, and it's fun so far, in my opinion. I love it here. It's a great experience, and they taught me a lot. Usually I cook breakfast at home, so it's like some simple stuff, but here it's really like actual cooking, serious cooking.
I made the chicken, the Asian style with pickles and cabbage in it. I had fun learning how to make different foods. It's a good way to like learn teamwork and stuff and cook with other people. You learn different techniques, different tools to use when you're cooking. Like I didn't know how to measure, and you can measure actually with your thumb and to measure how much water to put in the rice, and so that was something new that I learned. So the differences are kind of different because at home you might just throw stuff in and not measure it out, but it's a good way to learn.
So far the experience, we're just learning many different things about different flavors and different mixes we can make. Having a lot of fun. I'm working with a lot of people, have different partners. You make sure you got the right people around you to do a good job, you know?
So how many kids do you have in the program?
So right now we have 180 kids in the program.
180
yeah,
kids.
It's a lot.
And I just went into the kitchen and saw a number of the kids preparing like really good dishes with Wegmans Chefs. So I can't wait to test the food because it seems like it's going to be very, very good.
So that's one of our highlight programs is our culinary part. And so when we talk about culinary, giving students culinary skill sets, we're not teaching them like microwavable skill sets. You know, anybody can push a button. Right? We teach some skill sets as this is a meal component from start to finish, and they're making challenging dishes.
They are.
They're tasting food that they never had before, or veggies that they never had before.
It's actually amazing. It's helped me a lot. I've been here since last year. They helped me get a job at Wegmans. They helped me learn how to like talk in an interview. They've helped me with scholarships, and they've helped me like experience new things that I've never experienced. And that's when we were cooking one of the dishes, but I can't see what it is. That's me.
I've been in Future Ready for I think about a year now. It's really helped me expand and learn and grow from other people. Like I've met a lot of new people. I made new experiences and memories here.
Yeah, when you cook here, because I'm with the chef, so you got to make sure that you cook it precisely. So like when you use your knife, you got to use it so that your thumb not in the way or something like that. When I'm at home, I just chop it up. I've been in the Future Ready program since last March, I want to say. It helps you with your academics, getting your grades up. It helps you to get jobs. I ended up getting a job over the summer. Well, not over the summer, I got the job in the summer for Wegmans, and I am a cashier at Wegmans, and I've been working there ever since. And I love it. It helps you with basically with everything. So yeah.
It's good.
We made chicken cacciatore. We just seared it with pan-searing flour, salt and white pepper. Seared it for about 3 or 4 minutes per side, and then added onions, peppers, mushrooms, garlic, and we deglazed with red wine, about a cup.
But they really did a great job. Really excited to try to make new things. They all wanted to get their hands on. A lot of times with groups, I'll kind of have my hands in everything, but they really wanted to take the reins and go after it, which is a really great thing to see. A lot of ambition, so it was really great.
For Future Ready, we're excited to teach young folks the benefit of learning about culinary skill sets, the careers that can come with it, not only about being a cook, but there's lots of different roles that can actually provide for their families, and different types of career clusters in culinary, such as food and beverage. Jermaine, what are some other ones too as well?
Well, you have the front of the house, back of the house that kids can learn from being an expediter to being a busser, and work your way to running the kitchen supervisor, to hostess. So there's a lot of positions within the food and beverage industry that kids can do. And ultimately, they want to start their own restaurant, catering service, bakery. They can do that.
And so lastly, if anybody else, we just want to thank everyone, all of our sponsors, all of our donors who always make these opportunities for young folks come true. So we definitely say thank you.